Hi y'all! So as many of y'all remember from one of my previous videos, I had some curb rash on my wheels and it was so bad. Shout out to Salt City Wheels, they totally helped me out. My wheels look good as new now. So EV Base saw my video and they were so kind enough to reach out to me, and now I have a little extra insurance for the future. I'm so scared of parking by curbs. I hate it so much. This will give me a little bit more confidence to park by a curb and feel comfortable. And I did see some videos. I know that FSD Canada was posting about a lot of the issues it was having. I'm trying to remember exactly what happened in the video, but pretty much it was supposed to be parking a certain way. It parked the other way, it went back, and if he didn't intervene, it would have hit the curb. So I'm super paranoid, so I'm so thankful for EV Base. So these pretty much just snap on. It shouldn't be too difficult of an install. I guess I'm about to find out if it's difficult or not. I did get an extra little toolkit from Amazon. I'll show y'all here in a few when I start taking the wheel off and stuff like that. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm doing, but I'm about to find out and I will show you what I got. And of course it's going to be linked in the description below. I'm going to pull everything out of the box and see what I'm working with here. So I think these just like snap on, so I feel like it shouldn't be too difficult. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It is so windy out here right now, so sorry if you hear the wind. Sorry if I look a little bit crazy, but it's so windy today. Not the best day to be filming this review. Okay, so this is the little tape protector. This is what, I guess I'll show y'all here in a few. I'm gonna have this and put it all the way around this. It's supposed to provide like a little bit of protection. I watched a few videos on it. They say it doesn't have to be totally perfect, but I'm gonna try my best to get it perfect. So let's get it. Okay guys, that was not that bad. That was super easy. It only took me like 3 minutes to put this on there. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be on pretty secure. So it was very simple. So hopefully the rest of this process is super simple. I've heard it is. We're about to find out. Okay, here we go. I'm a little scared, but it should be easy. I hope. I mean, I don't really know. Okay, that was an easy little pop. Let's see if the rest of them are like that. Yes. Did I get all of them? Oh my gosh, that was, see, that was so easy. That was easy. Wait, did y'all hear that? I think this one popped up. I feel like, there, I got it. Yeah, that's good. I think that's it. They look good. I'm so glad that I'll have this on my Tesla. I won't feel as paranoid when I'm by curves, but yeah, that was super simple. Let's see if the rest of the wheels are going to be as simple as this, or if I'm going to have any trouble. So I was filming this EV Base curb rash protection video, and it's crazy windy out here today. Probably the worst day for me to choose to film, but whatever, I did it anyway. My audio cut out. I didn't even realize because I had it on the tripod and I didn't even know, but I'm really bummed out about that. The first one was so easy, but then there was one of them that I was having so much trouble with, and I just don't know what was going on with that one. I moved it around. It snapped all the way around, but like there was one spot where it would not snap. Everything clicked on so perfectly, and then it was just this one little area where it would not click. So that sucks because I was so excited. I mean, I'm leaving them on. It seems very secure, even though that one little spot didn't click. I don't know how to explain it, but I was able to push all of them in except for that one little section. So I still feel like they're very secure. They're still gonna protect me in town. I'm so grateful that EV Base decided to send these to me. They know I need them, and I am so happy to be able to have that extra layer of protection because y'all know I am terrified of curbs. Like, they haunt me. When FSD chooses to park at a curb, it just freaks me the heck out. Obviously, I'm gonna intervene if FSD gets wild, but I need it like for myself too, just to be on the safe side. Once again, so sorry the audio was such trash, but I still appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. EV Base, I appreciate them so much. If you are like me and had some curb rash drama in the past and you need some protection, definitely go to their website. I'll put their website in the description down below. And if you want 20% off, use the code FSDGirl and I got you. I hope you enjoyed my video of me trying to get my wheels protected. Y'all know I need it. So yes, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to me, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.